In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted design in Canva. If you've accidentally removed a design and want to bring it back, don't worry. Canva makes this process very simple, and in just a few moments, you can restore your file and continue working on it as usual. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can follow along easily. To begin, open Canva and make sure you're on the main dashboard. This is the home area where you can access your designs, folders, and account sections. If your account is already signed in, you should be able to go straight to the next step. If not, sign in first so you can access your saved projects. Once you're inside Canva, look for the Projects tab. This section is where Canva stores your existing designs and other saved content. Go ahead and open Projects. This will take you to the area where you can manage your files more directly, including items that may have been deleted recently. Inside the Projects area, find and click Trash. The Trash section holds designs that have been removed but are still available for recovery for a limited time. This is helpful if something was deleted by mistake or if you changed your mind and want the design back. After opening Trash, look through the designs listed there and select the one you want to restore. Take a moment to make sure you're choosing the correct file, especially if several designs look similar or have related names. Selecting the right design first will help avoid restoring something you don't need. Once the design is selected, click Restore. Canva will then move that design out of the trash and return it to your projects, where you can access and edit it again normally. After restoring it, you can go back to your Projects section and confirm that the design is back in its original workspace. That's all it takes. Open Canva, go to Projects, click Trash, select the design you want to bring back, and then click Restore. If you don't see the file in Trash, it may have already been permanently removed. So it's always a good idea to restore important designs as soon as possible. And that's how to restore a deleted design in Canva quickly and easily.